The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the brain of your computer. It handles all the instructions and calculations that make your computer work. Think of it like the conductor of an orchestra, coordinating all the different parts to create beautiful music. CPUs come in different speeds measured in gigahertz or GHz. A higher GHz means a faster processor. This speed affects how quickly your computer can perform tasks, such as opening programs or browsing the internet. There are two main CPU manufacturers, Intel and AMD. Both offer a range of processors for different needs and budgets. When choosing a CPU, consider the tasks you'll be using your computer for. For example, if you're a gamer, you'll need a powerful CPU to handle demanding games, but if you mainly browse the internet and check emails, a less powerful CPU will suffice. RAM, or Random Access Memory, is like your computer's short-term memory. It stores data that the CPU needs to access quickly. Imagine it as a workspace where the CPU keeps the tools and information it's currently using. The more RAM you have, the more tasks your computer can handle simultaneously without slowing down. If you don't have enough RAM, your computer might feel sluggish when you have multiple programs open. RAM comes in different types, such as DDR4 and DDR5. DDR5 is the newest type and offers faster speeds and better performance. When choosing RAM, consider the speed and capacity that suits your needs. Think of it this way: if the CPU is the chef, RAM is the countertop space. The more space you have, the more ingredients the chef can work with efficiently. The motherboard is the central circuit board of your computer. It connects all the other components, allowing them to communicate and work together. Think of it as the foundation of a house, providing a base for everything else to be built upon. The motherboard contains sockets for the CPU, RAM, and expansion cards. It also has ports for connecting peripherals like keyboards, mice, and monitors. Different motherboards support different features and components. When choosing a motherboard, make sure it's compatible with the other components you want to use. It's important to handle the motherboard with care, as static electricity can damage sensitive components. Always ground yourself before touching it. Storage devices are where your computer stores data permanently. This includes your operating system, programs, and files. The most common types of storage devices are hard disk drives, or HDDs, solid-state drives, or SSDs, and optical drives. HDDs are the oldest and most affordable type of storage. They use spinning disks to store data magnetically. SSDs are newer and much faster than HDDs. They use flash memory to store data similar to a USB drive. Optical drives use lasers to read and write data on CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs. For your operating system and frequently used programs, an SSD is the best choice due to its speed. HDDs are better suited for storing large files like movies and music. Section 5. Powering up. The importance of the power supply. The power supply unit, or PSU, provides power to all the components in your computer. It converts the AC power from your wall outlet to DC power that your computer can use. Think of it like the heart of your computer, pumping power to keep everything running. PSUs come in different wattages, which indicate how much power they can provide. The wattage you need depends on the components in your computer. A higher-end gaming PC will require a higher wattage PSU than a basic office computer. A good PSU is essential for a stable and reliable computer. A faulty PSU can damage your components or even cause a fire. Section 6. Beyond the basics. Peripheral devices and you. Peripheral devices are any external device that connects to your computer. This includes input devices like keyboards and mice, output devices like monitors and printers, and storage devices like external hard drives and USB drives. Keyboards and mice are essential for interacting with your computer. Monitors display the visual output from your computer. Printers allow you to create hard copies of your documents and photos. External hard drives and USB drives provide portable storage for your files. They can also be used to back up your important data. Troubleshooting peripheral devices is often straightforward. If a device isn't working, try disconnecting and reconnecting it. You can also try connecting it to a different USB port or using a different cable. Section 7, Troubleshooting 101, Common Hardware Issues. Even with the best care, hardware can sometimes malfunction. Knowing some basic troubleshooting techniques can help you identify and potentially fix common issues. One common problem is overheating. If your computer feels hot to the touch or shuts down unexpectedly, it could be overheating. Make sure the cooling fans are working properly and that there's adequate airflow inside the computer case. Another common issue is hardware failure. If a component fails, your computer may not boot up or may display error messages. If you suspect a hardware failure, you can try reseating the component or replacing it with a known working one. Remember, safety first. Always turn off and unplug your computer before opening the case or handling internal components. Section 8. Putting it all together. Building a PC for learning. One of the best ways to learn about computer hardware is to build your own PC. It's like building a puzzle, connecting each component to create a working system. Start by choosing a motherboard that fits your needs and budget. Then select a compatible CPU, RAM, storage device, and power supply. Once you have all the components, you can start assembling your PC. Building a PC can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. It's a great way to gain hands-on experience and learn about how computers work. There are many resources available online to guide you through the process. You can find step-by-step guides, video tutorials, and forums where you can ask questions and get help from other PC builders. Section 9. Next steps. Your journey to CompTIA A+ certification. Understanding computer hardware is essential for anyone pursuing a career in IT. The CompTIA A+ certification is a globally recognized credential that validates your skills and knowledge in this area. The CompTIA A+ exam covers a wide range of topics including hardware, software, networking, and security. To prepare for the exam, you can take a course, study from a book, or use online resources. Earning your CompTIA A+ certification can open doors to a variety of IT jobs, such as help desk technician, computer repair technician, and system support specialist. Remember, learning about computer hardware is an ongoing journey. Technology is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and advancements.